Welcome back to BST News. This is Jayashita Reddy from Telangana State. Let's have a quick look on headline. The Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters has organized BST Digital Smart Generation Surf Smart 2.0 Virtual Master Trainers Training. At Charlotte, a world center based in Switzerland organized a Helen Storrow pop-up seminar for young women from 1st to 23rd October 2021. The Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters organized a virtual celebration of Sangam Day on 16th October 2021. 64th Jamboree on the Air Jota and 25th Jamboree on the Internet Jyoti 2021 was organized at Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters, New Delhi on 16th and 17th October 2021. Karnataka State Bharat Scouts and Guides released Souvenir on 100 years of rangering on 18th October 2021. Scouts and Guides of Visakhapatnam district of Andhra Pradesh State Bharat Scouts and Guides rendered their service on Milad Nabi. Monthly meeting of state officials of North Eastern Region Bharat Scouts and Guides held on 20th October and presided over by Sri Shehang Rongrao, State Secretary of Arunachal Pradesh and Deputy Director of Secondary Education Government of Arunachal Pradesh. The Bharat Scouts and Guides NF Railway Badarpur District Association organized its 26th COVID-19 vaccination drive. Service camps organized at various places by rovers and rangers during Durga Puja. Bihar State organized a mass awareness campaign on single-use plastic in entire Bihar. District level workshop on online youth management system was held at Rourkela. Rovers and rangers of Odisha are actively helping at COVID-19 vaccination centers. Andhra District Association of South Eastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides organizing COVID awareness campaign. The courses for leader trainers of Scout Wing and Guide Wing started at National Training Center, Pachmarhi. News in brief. National news. The Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters has organized BST Digital Smart Generation Surf Smart 2.0 Virtual Master Trainers Training from 6th to 11th October 2021 at 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. IST. The workshop brought the non-formal education curriculum to support young people to connect safely and positively online. It's a unique resource which ensured generation of youth to have the knowledge and skills to protect themselves and others online. The Helen Storrow pop-up seminar to young women at our Charlotte. Our World Center based in Switzerland organized the Helen Storrow pop-up seminar for young women from 1st to 23rd October 2021 at weekends. This annual international event is a unique opportunity for leadership development as it addresses one of the most relevant issues in the contemporary society, that is environmental sustainability. The Helen Storrow pop-up seminar in BSG explored the environmental issues of today, focuses on ways to raise awareness and use practical skills to create sustainable change. Attendees leave with a change plan ready to impact their environment at local level. It has been a fabulous 55 years since Sangam opened its doors on the 16th October 1966. On this special day, the Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters organized virtual celebration of Sangam Day on 16th October 2021 at 4 to 6 p.m. IST. The 64th Jamboree on the Air Jota and the 25th Jamboree on the Internet Jyoti 2021 was organized at Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters, New Delhi on 16th and 17th October 2021, in which 122 participants and staff from Delhi, Northern Railway, NC Railway, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh states participated. This event was inaugurated by Mr. Arun Kumar, professor and HAM radio operator on 16th October 2021. Shri Arup Sarkar, Deputy Director of Scouts Boy Program, gave the introduction of Jota Jyoti and the information about different stations at NHQ. Shri Sarju Prasad Mishra, unit leader and HAM operator, briefed about HAM radio and its importance during a disaster. The event was conducted by Shri Arup Sarkar, Deputy Director of Scouts Boy Program, with the assistance of Shri Mahendra Sharma, ROC Scout Northern Region, and other staff members from NHQ. On 18th October 2021, the Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka State Headquarters conducted an event releasing souvenir on 100 years of rangering. The souvenir was released by Honorable Shri PGR Sindhya, State Chief Commissioner, Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka. Honorable Shri Kondaji B. Shanmukappa and other leaders of the state were also present on this occasion. The event was successfully organized by Mrs. Geeta Natraj and her colleagues. On the occasion of Miladul Nabi, the Scouts and Guides of Sri Sharada Vidyanilayam, Nakkavalipalam, Vishakhapatnam district of Andhra Pradesh state, Bharat Scouts and Guides, rendered their services under the leadership of Sri V. Trinath Rao on 19th October 2021. Monthly meeting of state officials of Northeastern Region, Bharat Scouts and Guides, held on 20th October 2021. The main attraction of the meeting was farewell of Mrs. Amelia Spare as the State Secretary of Meghalaya. All the state officials expressed sincere gratitude to Madam Amelia for her dedicated services towards the movement for more than 48 years and wished her healthy and happy retired life. Shri Shehang Rongrang, State Secretary of Arunachal Pradesh and Deputy Director, Secondary Education, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, presided over the meeting. The BSG, NFR, NJP District Association welcomed Honorable GM, NFR and Patron BSG, NFR during his visit to NJP on 20th October 2021. Upon his arrival, the members of BSG, NFR, NJP District Association greeted him with a general salute followed by traditional welcome with Aarti, Tilak and presenting Scout scarf. A Clean India project, Clean the Road and Park, organized by Guides and Rangers of BSG, NFR, APDJ on 17th October 2021. The Bharat Scouts and Guides NF Railway Badarpur District Association organized a cultural program on 17th October 2021 in connection with Vijayadashami. The program was inaugurated by Shri Uttam Kumar Das, District Secretary, BPB, Shri Barun Das Gupta, Secretary of Barak Valley Voluntary Blood Donors Forum, Shri Badal Kumar Das, State Observer, BBP, Shri Bidyat Sarkar, District Organizing Commissioner, Scout BPB, Tapashi Chakrabarti, District Organizing Commissioner Guides BPB, along with all the unit leaders of Badarpur District. Members of HQ, District Association of NF Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides rendered service during state-level service camp during Navratri Utsav at Kamakya Devalaya from 12th to 14th October 2021. Scouts and Guides of Madhubani district of Bihar state, Bharat Scouts and Guides affixed the posters in local market to aware people not to use plastic at Durga Mandal.
एकल यूज़ प्लास्टिक हमारे जीवन में बहुत ज़्यादा हानिकारक है। यहाँ जैसे ही हम घर से बाहर निकलते हैं इधर उधर प्लास्टिक ही प्लास्टिक नज़र आ जाता है हम लोग को। हम अपने मित्र और शहरवासियों पूरे बिहार वासियों को बोलेंगे उनको प्लास्टिक का यूज़ ना करने को प्रेरित करेंगे।
On the occasion of Durga Puja, members of Shivaji Open Group of Bharat Scouts and Guides East Central Railway, Danapur, rendering their services by controlling crowd at the local medical colony hospital intersection. Scouts and Guides of MD and Gyan Niketan ran awareness campaign under the Bharat Scouts and Guides Samastipur to not to use plastic. The Rourkela Districts Association of Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a district-level workshop on online youth management system at Rourkela as the first district to conduct the workshop. The Rovers of South Eastern Railway State Association of Adra District organized COVID awareness campaign in Durga Puja at their local area, Adra. In the festive season, the members of South Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides, Jawahar Group of Adra District Association rendered their services and donated new clothes to 27 people at Old Age Home Adra, and they also donated new clothes and sweets to 49 children in the orphanage home at Adra. Himachal Pradesh Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a Pravesh camp for rovers and rangers of district Kangra for the new academic session 2021-2022 in Government College of Nagrota Bhagwan from 11th October to 16th October 2021. On 14th October 2021, Shri Naresh Kumar, District Training Commissioner, and Srimati Praveen Lata Jamwal, District Organizing Commissioner, left for Government Senior Secondary School, Boranj from their respective destinations for General Information Course for Heads organized by District Headquarters in Hamirpur District. During this, at 8:30 in the morning, two bikes collided in the middle of the way, due to which the both drivers were badly injured. Immediately after giving first aid, ambulances were called and the injured were sent to the nearest medical center. The relatives of both the injured persons were called to the hospital. Rovers and Rangers of Himachal Pradesh, Bharat Scouts and Guides District Rampur cleaned bank of Satluj River on 15th October 2021. 200 students from different schools of Faridabad and Palwal district participated in 64th Jota and 25th Jyoti at National Youth Complex, Gadpuri district, Palwal, Haryana on 16th and 17th October 2021. Hand washing programs were organized at various places on the occasion of World Hand Wash Day by Rajasthan State Bharat Scouts and Guides at National Green Corps Eco Club District Sikar. On October 13, 2021, all the BST members of Bharat Devagan Government Higher Secondary School, Karora District, Raipur visited Ganesh Mandir and Sheetla Pond and cleaned the temple and Sheetla Pond by eradicating carrot grass and washing the premises with water. They inspired to stop the pollution and dirt in the environment and spreaded the message of Clean India to the people. 83 guides, rovers, rangers, and unit leaders participated in this program. BP6 Surya Namaskar and drawing event were organized by rovers and rangers of Chandrasekhar Azad Open Rover Crew and Rani Lakshmibai Open Ranger team of Bharat Scouts and Guides District Bhilai, Chhattisgarh on 17th October 2021 under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Plastic Free India Rally was organized by Bharat Scouts and Guides District Association Raipur on 17th October 2021 under Clean India program, in which 56 scouts, guides and unit leaders participated. After COVID pandemic, the Bharat Scouts and Guides conducting courses for leader trainers, scout wing and guide wing. The courses started on 20th October 2021 at National Training Center Pachmarhi, where 54 ALT participated in scout course and 48 in guide course across the country. Sri Krishna Swami R and Miss M Chamma are conducting the course for scout wing and guide wing respectively. This is the highest training for adult leader. 3 assistant leader trainers from Bangladesh Scout Association also attended the course.
I first of all want to thank India Bharat Scouts and Guides to give us the opportunity to attend this training program. The training facilities is best one, and all the experienced and trainers are trained here. We are participating with
433 National Adventure Program has been started on 22nd October at National Adventure Institute Pachmarhi. 215 participants from Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, North Eastern Railway, South Central Railway and North Central Railway are participating at the program. They will complete all scheduled program, including the treks of Jata, Shankar, Bifal, Gupt Mahadev, Bada Mahadev, Chauraghar, Handiko, and enjoy the obstacle horse riding, archery, sky cycling, boating and shooting. National Commissioner of Bangladesh Scout Association Mohammad Salim Ullah inaugurated the campfire and blessed the gathering. Mrs. Bikis Sheikh is conducting the program under the guidance of Sri Krishna Swami R, Executive Director. Scouts and unit leaders of Chhattisgarh State Association participated in cleaning drive at Pachmarhi Udyan. They cleaned the area, collected the plastic and created awareness on how to minimize the use of plastic. The local people appreciated their cleaning effort. COVID news. The Bharat Scouts and Guides NF Railway Badarpur District Association organized its 26th COVID-19 vaccination drive at District Scout Hut Badarpur on 20th October 2021. Total 150 people of surrounding areas were vaccinated with Covishield vaccine. 10 rovers and rangers were there as service team. Members of Amrit Prabha Ranger Team Jawaharlal Nehru College Boko Kamrup of Bharat Scouts and Guides Assam distributed handmade masks at Boko Sarjan and rendered valuable service at Gamerimura campus Boko and also ran cleanliness drive. 47 rangers and rovers of Shrikarabanj Open Unit Buguda are helping at vaccination center in distributing face masks and leaflet containing information to people at Ganjam, Odisha state. Forthcoming events: 25th World Scout Jamboree Semangam, Korea 2023. For details, refer NHQ Circle number 111 dated 2nd September 2021. Himalaya Wood Badge Course for Guide Captains. For details, refer NHQ Circular number 120 2021 dated 16th September 2021. 27th APR Scout Conference Taiwan will be organized virtually. For more details, refer NHQ Circular number 131 2021 dated 28th September 2021. Scouts of World Award Discovery Workshop Messengers of Peace Project. For more details, refer NHQ Circular number 136 2021 dated 5th October 2021. Course for Assistant Leader Trainers Guide Wing. For more details, refer NHQ Circular number 139 2021 dated 13th October 2021. National Level Environment Awareness Program. For more details, refer NHQ Circular number 140 2021 dated 14th October 2021. Call for volunteers, State UNICEF Team Leader. For more details, refer NHQ Circular number 141 2021 dated 19th October 2021. This is all for today's news. This is Jayashita Reddy from Telangana State signing off. Thank you.